Hey everyone, Dale here with Renewable Innovations, and today we're diving into one of my favorite smart home upgrades, Philips Hue smart lights. If you've ever wanted to control the mood of your home with just your voice, your phone, or even with a motion sensor as you walk into the room, then you're going to love what Hue brings to the table. So let's start with the basics, the bulbs. Philips Hue makes a ton of different sizes and styles. From standard A19 bulbs you'll find in most lamps to BR30s for recessed lighting, GU10s for track lighting, and even decorative filament bulbs if you like that vintage look. They also have light strips you can tuck under cabinets, behind your TV, or along a hallway to add a futuristic glow. Now the beauty here is choice. You can go simple with just white bulbs, upgrade to white ambience where you can shift between warm and cool tones, or go all in with the white and color ambience bulbs that give you access to millions of colors. And trust me, once you start playing with color scenes, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. But what really makes Hue stand out from just smart bulbs you can grab off of the shelf at a big box store is their Hue Bridge, also known as the Hub. This is the brain of the operation. Yes, you can connect to Hue bulbs over Bluetooth if you're just starting out, but with the Bridge, you unlock the full power of the ecosystem. It gives you local control, which means faster response times, better reliability, and the ability to control up to 50 lights throughout your home. Plus, it ties into all the big smart home platforms, Alexa, Google, Apple Home, and even Matter. So no matter what system you prefer, your Hue lights will fit right in. Of course, lighting isn't just about bulbs. Philips Hue has some really clever accessories to make your setup feel natural. Their dimmer switch is perfect for guests or kids who aren't used to yelling at Alexa. The tap dial switch lets you rotate through scenes with a turn of a dial. And my personal favorite, their motion sensors. You can set a hallway light to turn on dimly in the middle of the night so you're not blinded at 2 a.m. or program your living room to brighten up automatically as you walk in after work. Combine that with the Hue app and you can schedule, automate, or even use geofencing so your lights know when you've left the house or when you're pulling into the driveway. And it doesn't stop with the indoors. Philips Hue has a full outdoor lineup too. Spotlights, floodlights, pathway lights, or even wall-mounted fixtures, all designed to handle the elements while giving you the same smart features. Want a security boost? Pair outdoor motion sensors with floodlights. Hosting a party? Sync your patio lighting to music or movies and watch the backyard transform. It's not just about seeing where you're going, it's about creating an immersive experience inside and out. That brings me to the biggest advantage of Philips Hue, the ecosystem itself. You're not buying a random set of smart bulbs that might or might not work together. You're investing in a system that's been refined for years. It's reliable and it scales as your home grows, and it integrates seamlessly with your other smart home gear. And for those of you who really like to geek out, Hue can sync with your TV for gaming or movie nights, and even tie into your Spotify playlist so your lights pulse along with the music. It's that extra layer of magic that makes a house feel alive. So if you're thinking about making the jump to smart lighting, Philips Hue is hands down one of the best ways to start. I'll leave affiliate links in the description below for bulbs, starter kits, sensors, and some of my personal favorites so you can check them out yourself. And if you're looking to take your home to the next level with solar, batteries, or full smart home automation, head over to reinnovations.org for a consultation. We'd love to help you design not just a smart home, but a sustainable one as well. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And let me know in the comments what's the first room you'd upgrade with smart lighting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.